In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not showing songs in playlist. If tracks have vanished or a playlist looks incomplete, don't worry. I'll walk you through clear steps to get everything back where it should be. First, make sure your Spotify app is fully up to date. Open your device's App Store or Play Store, search for Spotify, and tap Update if you see it. Updates often include fixes for syncing and display issues, so a quick update can immediately resolve missing songs without any extra work. Next, check the availability of the songs themselves. Some tracks don't appear due to licensing and regional restrictions. If a song isn't available in your country, Spotify may hide it or gray it out and it won't play. This isn't a problem with your device or account, it's simply how rights work in your location. If you're on an iPhone and the songs should be available but still aren't showing, clear the app's cached data. Go to Settings, then either General or Apps, and open iPhone storage. Use the search bar to find Spotify, tap it, then choose Offload App or Uninstall. From that same screen, reinstall Spotify. This refresh clears corrupted cache files without deleting your playlists since your library lives in the cloud. Keep in mind that downloaded tracks will need to be re-downloaded after you sign back in. Now, confirm you're on the right account. If you've ever used multiple logins, you might be viewing a different library. Open Spotify, check your profile, and make sure you're using the account that actually owns the playlist. If you've been using offline mode, switch back online. In offline mode, only downloaded songs appear, so anything not saved for offline use may be hidden. Turn offline mode off, give the app a moment to sync, and then re-download specific songs if you need them available without internet. If the issue persists, log out of Spotify, restart your phone, and log back in. This simple reset clears stuck sessions and restarts background services that handle syncing and display. Finally, reopen Spotify and recheck your playlist. Scroll through and give it a moment to refresh. If everything is set, your songs should be visible again. That's it. If this helped you fix missing songs in your playlists, please like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.